Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Praise be to Allah, who is such that it is not possible to describe the reality of knowledge about Him, since His greatness has restrained the intellects, and therefore they cannot find the way to approach the extremity of His realm. He is Allah, the True, the Manifester of Truth. He is more true and more manifest than eyes can see. Intellects cannot comprehend Him by fixing limits for Him, since in that case to Him would be attributed shape. Imagination cannot catch Him by fixing quantities for Him, for in that case to Him would be attributed body. He created creatures without any example, and without the advice of a council, or the assistance of a helper. An example of His delicate production, wonderful creation and deep sagacity, which He has shown us, is found in these bats, which keep hidden in the daylight, although daylight reveals everything else, and are mobile in the night. The darkness of night does not obstruct their sight, nor does the gloom of darkness prevent them from movement. Glorified is He who has made the night as day for them to seek livelihood. He has given them wings of flesh, with which, at the time of need, they rise upwards for flying. They look like the ends of ears, without feathers or bones. They are neither too thin, so that they get turned in flying, nor too thick, so that they prove heavy. Glorified is He who creates everything without any previous sample by someone else. And there is no creature on or within the earth or bird that flies with its wings, except that they are communities like you. We have not neglected in the register a thing. Then unto their Lord they will be gathered. Allah has created every living creature from water, and of them are those that move on their bellies, and of them are those that walk on 2 legs, and of them are those that walk on 4. Allah creates what He wills. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. Bats are wonderful creatures endowed with many gifts. They have been designed by Allah with the ability to see in darkness through echolocation. They emit ultrasonic sounds, and comparing the outgoing sound with the returning echoes, their brain and auditory system produces detailed images of their surroundings, allowing them to hunt their prey in complete darkness. Bats make up a quarter of all mammals, with over 1,100 species. They are one of the most widely distributed groups of mammals and the only mammal gifted with the ability to fly. Their intricately designed wings makes them more efficient at flying than birds. Their wing membranes stretch more than a bird's wing, allowing to generate more lift for less energy. The surface of their wings is equipped with touch-sensitive receptors, giving them feedback about the air slowing over its wings. They then change the shape of their wings in response, allowing them to fly more efficiently.